Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to adjust the phone audio settings in this car. So let me show you how to change the volume of the speech and the ringtone. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left until you see the settings. From the settings, you've got access to this menu from the top. Let's choose here system, and then from the left menu, let's scroll down to select audio. Under audio, you've got here the phone. So here you can adjust the speech volume. This controls the volume of the person you are talking to during a phone call. If you found it hard to hear your caller overload noise, or if they are too loud, you can adjust it here from the minimum to the maximum. You've got here also the ringtone volume, so this controls how loud the car plays your ringtone when you have an incoming call. So you can also adjust it to your needs. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.